Hello everyone, this is Rodrigo here at MacArthur's Liquors, and we have some really awesome bundles for you to try out for either the Kentucky Derby or for Cinco de Mayo. We'll start with the Rosé bag. We'll be featuring those 3 wines times 2, and it will come in this handy little bag, Rosé bag, $87.95. And then we have this awesome toolkit, Margarita toolkit for Cinco de Mayo. So we'll give you some friendly uses that you can have. We'll have these really awesome pre-mixers that we'll just pour into a highball glass. This is the tropical mango, the ginger, and the hibiscus. Tequila, barrel selection, 2 ounces. Two, and so on. And then you can definitely enjoy it right there. And it's a different, fresher, tropical take on a margarita if you do not want to have one. So there you go. We also going to have enough margaritas to do single margaritas that all you have to do is put a little ice, a half ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce tequila, and 1.5 ounces of triple sec. I'm gonna give this a bigger shake. Normally 30 seconds to do it. And pour into your rim glass the salt, which will be included in the kit. And there you go. And also you have enough to do a party pitcher. All you have to do is put about I would say 1/4 of the volume of your pitcher with ice. One and a half pints of the tequila. The rest of the triple sec bottle. And about 3/4 of the bottle of the lime juice. Stir. And there you go. You can pour it onto your favorite vessel. And we have everything ready for you for Cinco de Mayo. So come and see us on Saturday from 1 to 4. Thank you.